what's in my mini fridge. All right, so we got my hot pickle, my hot mama pickle up here. Got some don't worry about it. And then we have sunflower seed butter, a whole bunch of Pure Life water. We got some nacho dip, some buffalo dip. I got Simply Peach, 2 Simply Peaches. I got coconut milk. I got some black coffee, some jalapeno olives, some Snapples, some more Pure Life waters. You feel me? Keep that thing on me. You feel me? Up in the freezer. You feel me? I got my Pure Life waters. Pure Life waters. And there's some pineapple bars and some little citrus bars. Pop-ups, I mean.